because I would not bend to the marriage. To avoid this, I've taken every path my wits could find, now that this court is determined to condemn me, God knoweth how. I will discharge my mind concerning my indictment and the king's title. The indictment is founded on an act of Parliament which is directly repugnant to the law of God. Parliament cannot bestow the supremacy of the church. The king cannot claim it, because it is a spiritual supremacy determined by God. More to this, the immunity of the church is promised both in Magna Carta and the king's own coronation oath.